Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce ad spend with Google Ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your goals. Define what you want to achieve with your Google Ads. Identify your target audience to tailor your ads effectively. Conduct thorough keyword research to find the most relevant terms. Use tools like the Google Keyword Planner for insights. Group your keywords into closely related themes. Set up well-structured campaigns based on these themes. Choose the right campaign type that aligns with your goals. Create compelling ad copy that speaks directly to your audience. Utilize ad extensions to provide additional information. Monitor your campaigns regularly to assess performance. Analyze key metrics such as click-through rates and conversion rates. Adjust your bids based on the performance of your keywords. Consider using automated bidding strategies for better efficiency. Implement negative keywords to filter out irrelevant clicks. Utilize audience targeting to reach specific groups. Experiment with different ad formats to see what performs best. Optimize your landing pages for a better user experience. Ensure your landing pages load quickly and are mobile-friendly. Test different headlines and calls to action for effectiveness. Regularly review and refine your ad campaigns based on data. Stay updated with changes in Google Ads features and best practices. Leverage remarketing strategies to re-engage potential customers. Continuously educate yourself through online resources and forums. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce ad spend while maximizing your results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.